If you're going on a journey, especially to a place that you do not know, one thing you must have is a map. Because that map will guide you and ensure that you do not miss your way and you arrive to your destination on time, and in one piece. And that is exactly what a career map does for you. When we live our lives, we build our careers, having a map that will guide you and help you navigate does a lot for you. And so today I'm going to be sharing with you what is a career map and how to build a flawless career map. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Halima, and as always, I'm super excited to have you with me today. I just want to inspire, motivate, and empower you today to show you things that are possible and help you on that journey of building a truly phenomenal career. So let's go. What is a career map? A career map is simply a visual representation of your career path, and it is a very helpful tool in planning your career. So the moment that you want to go find your career, your professional development, it provides you with a guide, with an overview of your goals and the steps that you need to take to get to where you want to be from where you are today. Typically, a career map includes information about your current job, your skills, as well as long-term career aspirations that you may have. It can also show the various roles and responsibilities that you have had and held over time as you're building your career to where you are today. So you've gained a lot of experience, of course, along the way. So that's something you need to have in your career map. And of course, it must include where you're going. Where do you want to be? Where do you want your career to be? And it is very important you also include information about your education, your experiences you've had in the past, and all the things that have helped you reach your goal and all the things that you need to help you reach your future goals. Career maps can be created using a variety of tools and methods such as spreadsheets, diagrams, career planning softwares, and all sorts. Some career maps are very detailed. They include specific milestones and deadlines for yourself, while others are more general and flexible. Overall, a career map can be a useful tool for helping you visualize and plan your career path and for keeping track of your progress over time. So that's, in a nutshell, is what a career map is. So how do you build now a flawless career map that suits you? Like I said, there are different ways you can go about it, but just ensure that it suits you. It's something that works with you, that resonates with you, and is helpful for you, So now, how do you build a flawless career map? So how do you build a career map? And how do you use this amazing tool? So here are some steps that I'm going to be sharing with you that will help you in building a career map that will work for you. Number one thing is that you need to define your career goals. What are your goals? You need to identify those goals. What do you want to achieve in your career? What industries or roles are you interested in? Having clear goals will help you focus your career map and plan your next steps. So it's very definite. You're like, okay, this is where I'm going. Number two thing you need to do is to reflect on your past experiences. Look back at your previous job or previous jobs, if there are more than one. Your job titles, the responsibilities, your achievements, and then consider the skills and the experiences you've gained over time doing those jobs. Those are things that you put, it helps you to see where you're coming from and how much you have developed, and it's all part of your overall career development. Number three thing is identify your current position. So you need to clearly define your current role, You know, what are your responsibilities? What are the notable achievements? What are the skills that you have gained in this present role that you have? Next, you need to plan your next steps. So now, based on the goals that you have and your current position, consider what your next career move might be. This could be a promotion within your current company, a move to a new company, a transition to a totally new industry. Whichever one it is, make sure you put it in there. Now, you need to also create a visual representation of your career path. Remember, I defined it as a visual representation, a career map. So there are many different ways you can do this, you know. You can use a timeline, you can use a flow chart, you can use a mind map. Whatever, like I said earlier, works for you, whatever resonates with you and helps you clearly communicate your plans and your path, use it. Now, remember to review and update regularly. Your career map is a living document because you are a living human being that should be reviewed and updated. It shouldn't be something you just do and dump. No, it's a guide as you build and as you grow your career. And as you make progress and achieve your new goals, be sure to reflect on your experiences, update those experiences, you know, accordingly on your map. So I hope this has helped you, and I hope you're going to get to work right away building your own career map, you know, that would help you get, you know, be very certain on this journey of building a phenomenal career. Once again, my name is Halima. I'm super excited, and I hope I've been able to help you today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also hit on that bell so that you do not miss any new video I have. You may want to follow me also on social media at Halima Oyelade on Instagram, on Facebook and LinkedIn. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye-bye.